Hello and welcome. It's Declan back with another video. And today I'm just going to talk you through Walmart's earnings and how the results, how they've done. And I'll show you an article on the CNBC website detailing how everything. And also I'll show you the live charts on Etoro platform of how Walmart is doing in real time. So now, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and please hit the like and subscribe. It'll be greatly appreciated. So now I'll just share as Americans across income levels bought the company's low price groceries. So the Walmart's grocery business, its third quarter earnings and revenue surpassed Wall Street's expectations. So the discounter beat Wall Street's expectations for the quarter and raised its full year outlook to reflect that beat. Shares closed at 147.44 on Tuesday, up more than 6%. So you can see here where they opened Tuesday when the market opened, and that's the rise of 6%, gapping up from around the 137 right up to the 140. Well, it's at 148.25 now today, a day later on Wednesday. So you can see the gap up there on the 30-minute time frame, and I'll just go down to the 1-minute time frame now. So yeah, everything was pretty good with Walmart. So you can see it's trading at 148.20 now, and this is the 16th. This is a day later after the earnings report. So it didn't go up that much today, but as I said yesterday, the shares went up 6%, which was a big increase. So I'll just take you back to the article again. Excuse me. So shares closed at 147.44 on Tuesday, up more than 6%. So I'll just give you the main points of the article. Earnings per share, $1.50 adjusted versus 1.32 expected. That was a good 18 cents. That was a good increase. Revenue 152.81 versus 147.75 billion expected. Again, another big increase. Walmart posted net losses of 1.8 billion or 66 cents per share, down from profit of 3.11 billion or 1.11 per share a year earlier. So yeah, things have improved quite a bit. So on an adjusted basis, the company reported earnings of 150 per share. The retailer, which also offers pharmacy services, recorded a charge of nearly 3.33 billion or 1.05 a share as part of the opioid-related legal charges. It announced a nationwide settlement of 3.1 billion on Tuesday to resolve lawsuits and potential lawsuits by state, local, and tribal governments. Yeah, that hurt the company a bit. So in a statement, Walmart said it strongly disputes the allegations in these matters, and this settlement framework does not include any admissions of liability. So I won't go into that at this stage anyway. So shoppers are watching how they spend. Walmart's chief financial officer David Rainey said on a call with CNBC, they are buying less expensive proteins such as hot dogs, beans, and peanut butter instead of pricier meats. They are waiting for sales events to buy items like TVs and air fryers and are spending less in the apparel and home categories. Like, that's hurting companies. But pocketbooks are stretched, he said. People have less discretionary income or less disposable income to spend on things, and so they're looking for value. It's the same here in Ireland. We're all feeling the pinch at the moment, and it's tough. So people are trading down in other categories too, he said on a call with investors. They are buying less expensive versions of baby items and baking goods, including more products from Walmart's own brands. That's good for Walmart. So this is also an interesting part, that as inflation runs hot, the big box retailer has attracted more high-income shoppers. About 75% of its market share gains in food came from households that made more than 100,000 a year, Rainey said. The discounter saw the same pattern in the previous quarter. So yeah, everybody is shopping around for value now, and everybody is feeling the pinch. So low and high income people. So yeah, so let me see now. I'll just go back onto the charts now again. So this is the 1 minute chart. So like, as I showed you on the article here, that there has been, yeah, it's quite a good outlook for Walmart, and yeah, they've sorted out their inventory problems and everything. So as I said, this is just the 1 minute chart here now. So a bearish candle at the moment. As I said, it's trading at 148.12. These are the live charts. This is Wednesday, the 16th of November. So yeah, as I said, it was yesterday, the earnings were out and the shares jumped by 6%, which I showed you there in the 30-minute time frame when the market opened. That was a good reaction, and yeah, it seems to be holding steady again today. So yeah, that's a fair bit of movement on it now at the moment. But when you're buying shares in any company, you always look into their balance sheets and their earnings reports and higher time frames, and how the stock has done over especially the 4-hourly and the weekly. You'll see the highs and the lows. You get a better impression of how it's doing. But the 1 minute is just to keep an eye on how it's doing exactly at the moment. But I wouldn't trade on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate you, again, as I said, giving it a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. A fair bit of research goes into these videos, and they take a little while to make between everything, but I do enjoy making them. But I'd really appreciate your support, and thanks again, and take care.